We have been around each other for so long, and I find myself still needing you more each day. Please give me more of you. I love you, and I hope you believe me when I say it. I want us to work together in this relationship and bring something fruitful out of it. We are so good together. We know each other so profoundly, and we have each other's back. That is all that matters. I have so many things to tell you, so many things to say to you, but I will not tell them now. We have to see each other over dinner and plan out some things. No one makes me happy the way you do. No one has the effort to do so. We must work together for this relationship to work. I am not going to walk out on us even when things go wrong. I will be here with you. Our relationship is our goal. We must work together to achieve some things that are beneficial to this relationship. We need health, a good one, to survive. We must have wealth to live this life, and we must be committed to our relationship even when I wrong you. Please, can you forgive me? We both know that when there is no forgiveness, there is no love. You know, one way or another, everyone will eventually hurt you The reason why you will be standing is that you have found the one worth fighting for. They say that when you love a bird, let it fly. If it comes back to you, it has known you as its master. So also with relationship, I sit down and think about just how lucky I am to you. I am to have you with me for the rest of my life. No one can control whom he or she fall in love with. You just have to choose wisely. People might need to treat you anyhow, like a form of karma. But tell me how you would see yourself then in a relationship. To show you show to it each other exactly what you are. You have a build to build your relationship on a sound foundation. You know you do not have to be courageous all the time. I am here to lift your broken body anytime, anywhere. The relationship between us has to be that of best friends, then lovers, then husband and wife. Be patient when looking for love. When they leave, they have gone with a part of you with them. One can always be madly in love, but you have to reason amidst madness when it comes to relationships.